Fans were left wondering what could possibly take the place of the beloved Ford Fiesta when it was discontinued. The Ford Puma was Ford's solution. In a flash, this little crossover filled the void with its appealing blend of contemporary amenities, practicality, and enjoyable driving dynamics. Is the 2025 model, however, worthy of such lofty standards? Let's see if the newest Puma upholds Ford's history of producing thrilling and competent automobiles. In terms of technology in particular, the 2025 Ford Puma receives a number of significant changes that raise its attractiveness. Particularly noteworthy is the brand-new 12-inch touchscreen panel. Thanks to Ford's newest SoINC4 system, this screen responds faster and is easier to operate than before. Drivers who are comfortable with technology will like the upgrades compared to earlier generations. But now the climate controls are on the touchscreen, which might be a pain for drivers who want to use physical buttons for quick adjustments. The new 12.8-inch driver's display is one of the most eye-catching upgrades, replacing the smaller screens seen in previous generations. With this bigger screen, drivers can more easily see important data and have a more fluid experience navigating through important driving information, both of which contribute to improved concentration on the road. Additionally, the steering wheel has undergone some redesign. Although it may appear strange at first glance, it quickly becomes second nature as you get behind the wheel. The 2025 Puma has remarkable technology, but the inside materials aren't as cutting edge. Some may find the harsh plastic surfaces lacking in luxury touch, although they are nevertheless present on several places, including the dashboard and center console. Nonetheless, the Puma's exceptional functionality more than compensates for this. When the back seats are folded down, the trunk extends to a spacious 1,216 liters, providing ample space for everyday needs. The trunk itself offers 456 liters of space. Furthermore, Ford has retained the ingenious Megabox storage unit, which is ideal for storing damp or grimy things that could otherwise soil the inside and has a drain plug. The exterior design has undergone less radical transformation. Among the most striking changes are the new color and wheel options, as well as the relocation of the Ford logo. The engine options are the same as in earlier generations. Depending on the trim level, the 2025 Puma's 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine can produce 123 or 153 horsepower.